I am Professor Shashikala MC, Department of Political Science. Today I am going to deal the famous Western political thinker Karl Marx. Democracy is the road to socialism. History. Karl Marx was born 5th May 1818. He died on 14th March 1883. Born into a middle class family in Trier in the Prussian Rhineland. The background of Karl Marx. Karl Marx is a German philosopher. He is an economist, social scientist. He is also a sociologist, historian, journalist, and revolutionary socialist. One of the founders of sociology and social science. His popular books are known as Communist Manifesto, Das Kapital, etc. Marx theory on economics. Labor theory value, surplus product, exploitation. Labor theory of value. The economic value of a good or service is determined by the total amount of labor required to produce it. Surplus value. Surplus value is equal to the new value created by workers in excess of their own labor cost. Surplus product. It is simply that part of what workers produced which they had to hand over to the chief landowner, the lord, or the state in the form of tax. Exploitation. The act of using another person as a means to one's profit without providing them fair compensation. Marx theory on society. Historical materialism, alienation, mode of production, class consciousness, class struggle. These are the theories of Karl Marx. Historical materialism looks for the causes of developments and changes in human society in the means by which humans collectively produce the necessities of life. Alienation. The workers loses the ability to determine his or her life to destiny in the capitalist mode of production. There are 4 types of alienation. Alienation of the worker from the working himself as a provider, other worker. Class consciousness refer to the belief that a person holds regarding one's social class. Class struggle. Tension between different class of people, haves and have-nots, or owner and worker. Marxism. The collective understanding of all those theories related to society, economics and politics is called as Marxism. Why was Karl Marx important to the Industrial Revolution? Originated a major criticism of the Industrial Revolution, his ideas about the exploitation of the working class, first to make people understand that the working people of that the one of had the power. Impact on world. Today there are 7 countries that are communist countries like China, Cuba, US, North Korea, Vietnam, Cyprus, Nepal. Marx's ideas came to impact society most directly after the Bolshevik Revolution of 1917 in Russia. The first impact was felt in continental Europe. German sociologist Max Weber, theorists such as Thunder, Adorno, and British economist John Robinson have all produced work drawn from Marxist perspectives. Criticism of Marx. over concentration, economically determinist, overlooked, capitalism has proven to be more durable and flexible, unscientific, ignored to the role and possession of labor. Conclusion. Karl Marx was one of the most influential people of his era. He changed the way people looked at societies. He believed that having all the money with only a few people and the common working class person did not have enough would lead to a revolution to a classless society. He started his life with a lot of money, and when he was forced to move to London, he lived in uh, poverty. His theories have moved to people follow him and to overthrow the government for the idea of equality and etc.
Thank you. Thank you.
ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾನಮಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ 19ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ, ಇತಿಹಾಸಕಾರ, ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಜ್ಞ, ಮಾನವತಾವಾದಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಕಾರ್ಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕಣಿಕೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿದ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿಭೂತಿ ಪುರುಷನೆಂದು ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ಅವನನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿ ಹೊಗಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೊಂದ ಬೆಂದ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರ ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ಅವರಿಗೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ ಮೇಧಾವಿ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಕಾರಿ ಬರಹನಾದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವವ್ಯಾಪಕವಾದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯತೆ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಸಂಸಾರ ಸುಖವನ್ನು ಕಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಿ ತನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಬಲಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅಪರೂಪದ ಚೇತನ ಎನ್ನಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರವಾದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಯೂ ಸಹ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇವನ ಅಧಿಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತದ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರಮದ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಗೆಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದರ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ಬಗೆಗೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಮೂಡಿಸಿದನು. ಒಂದು ಶತಮಾನದ ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ರೂಪಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರದೇ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದವನು ಕಾರ್ಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅವನು ಸಮತಾವಾದದ ಪಿತಾಮಹನೆಂದು ವಿಶ್ವವಿಖ್ಯಾತನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.